everyone, welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna.
Hey, David, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little sleepy. I stayed up too late last night watching a show. You know how that goes.
Oh, I totally understand. I actually felt the same way this morning. My alarm went off and I thought, no, please, 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes always becomes 30 more minutes.
Every single time. But here we are, and I'm really happy to be here with you all today.
Me too. And we have a great topic today, one that is perfect for days when your brain is still warming up.
That's right. Today we are going to spend the day together, David and I, and you are coming with us. We are going to show you real English phrases that you can use in your everyday life.
Not difficult grammar, not long textbook sentences, just real, natural phrases that real people use every day.
And the best part? You can start using them today, not next week, today.
I love that. Okay, Anna, where does our day begin?
Well, let's say it is morning. You just woke up, you are getting ready, and you realize, oh no, you are running late.
Oh, this is very real. I am always running late.
So you need to call a friend or a coworker. You need to tell them you are not going to be on time. What do you say?
Maybe I am late?
That works, but a more natural phrase is, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way. What does that mean exactly?
It means you are already moving. You have left home or you are about to leave. You are coming, just not there yet.
Oh, I like that. It sounds more active, like, don't worry, I'm moving.
Exactly. So imagine your friend is waiting for you at a cafe. You can send a message, sorry, I'm on my way. Be there in 10 minutes.
Sorry, I'm on my way. That is easy to remember and very useful.
And notice you also say sorry. That is important. It shows you respect the other person's time.
Yes, sorry is a small word with a big job.
It really is. Okay, so now you arrive at the cafe. A little out of breath maybe, a little red in the face.
Yes, that is me. Hair a little messy.
Your friend is there. They look up and say, hey, you made it. What do you say?
I say, I know, I'm so sorry I'm late.
Perfect. And your friend says, don't worry about it. Have a seat.
Oh, don't worry about it. That is such a friendly phrase.
It is. It means it's okay, no problem. It makes the other person feel better right away.
I want to use that more. Don't worry about it.
Yes, and you can also say, no worries. It means the same thing. Very casual, very warm.
No worries. I like that one too. Short and easy.
Now you sit down. The waiter comes to your table. This is a moment many learners feel nervous about, talking to someone you don't know.
Yes, especially if you are not sure of your English yet. You feel a little shy.
And that is completely normal. But here's the good news. The waiter is there to help you. You just need a few simple phrases.
Okay, what do I say when the waiter arrives?
The waiter might say, hi there, what can I get for you? And you can answer, could I get a coffee, please?
Could I get a coffee, please? That sounds very natural.
It does. Could I get is very common in cafes and restaurants. It is polite but not too formal, like a friendly request.
Can I also say, can I have a coffee, please?
Absolutely. Both are great. Could I get and can I have? They mean the same thing. Use whichever feels more comfortable.
And I always end with please, right?
Always. Please is your best friend in English. Never forget it.
Please. Got it. Very important friend.
Okay, so now let's say you are not sure what to order. You look at the menu and there's something you don't understand. What do you do?
Oh, this happens to me even in my first language. Sometimes menus are confusing.
So you can ask the waiter, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend? That's a great question.
It is. It means, what do you think is good? What should I try? And usually the waiter is very happy to help.
So instead of guessing and maybe getting something I don't like, I just ask.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to ask. And if the waiter explains something and you still don't understand, you say, I'm sorry, could you say that again?
Could you say that again? That is so useful. I feel like learners need that phrase every day.
Every single day. And it is not rude, it is not embarrassing, it's just honest. People appreciate honesty.
Yes, it's much better than nodding and pretending you understood, and then getting the wrong thing.
Exactly. Okay, so you have your coffee, you and your friend are chatting, and your friend asks, how have you been lately? How do you answer?
I've been good, thanks. Just busy.
Perfect. I've been good is a very natural answer. Or you can say, I've been okay if things are so-so. Or I've been great, actually, if you want to sound more positive.
What about if things are not so great, like you are tired and stressed?
You can say, honestly, it's been a bit of a tough week. That is honest and still polite.
It's been a bit of a tough week. That sounds very real, very human.
It is. And in English, when you say honestly at the start, it signals that you are about to say something real, something from the heart.
I love that. Honestly, it's been a bit of a tough week. I will use that next Monday.
Me too, probably. Okay, the cafe visit is over. You say goodbye to your friend. What do you say?
I say bye, but that might be too short.
Bye is totally fine, but you can make it a little warmer. Something like, it was really nice catching up. Let's do this again soon.
Oh, catching up. What does that mean?
Great question. Catching up means talking with someone after a long time, sharing news, hearing what's new in each other's lives.
So, let's catch up means let's meet and talk and share news.
Exactly. It's a very warm, friendly phrase. We should catch up soon. Or, it was great catching up with you.
I love it. It feels like a hug in words.
That is a beautiful way to put it, David. A hug in words.
Okay, so the morning is done. What happens next in our day?
Now we are out running errands, maybe going to a shop, a pharmacy, the post office, public places where you need to talk to strangers.
Ah, yes, this is where many learners feel nervous. You don't know the person, you have to speak clearly, you have to understand their answer.
It can feel like a lot of pressure, but the secret is most of these conversations follow a pattern. If you know a few key phrases, you can handle almost any situation.
Okay, teach me. What is the most useful phrase in a public place?
Excuse me, could you help me?
Simple, direct, polite.
Exactly. Those 5 words open every door. You can say them in a shop, on the street, at a hospital, anywhere. Excuse me, could you help me?
And notice excuse me at the beginning. That gets the person's attention gently.
Yes, excuse me is like a soft knock on a door. It says, I'm here, I need a moment of your time, but I respect you.
I like that. A soft knock. And then, could you help me is the actual question.
And if you want to be more specific, you add the detail at the end, like, excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the shampoo.
Or, excuse me, could you help me? I can't find the exit.
Perfect. And people will almost always say yes. Most people are happy to help when you ask nicely.
What if you are lost, like you need directions?
Great situation. You can say, excuse me, do you know where the train station is?
Do you know where the train station is? That's a good one.
And the person might give you a long answer. Turn left, go straight, cross the road, take the second street on the right.
And I understand nothing.
So you use our emergency phrase, I'm sorry, could you say that again more slowly?
More slowly. Yes, that is key. Not just say it again, but more slowly.
Because repetition at the same speed doesn't always help. Speed is the real challenge.
Absolutely. Okay, and if they say it slowly and I still don't understand everything?
You say, "Thank you so much. I'll look it up."
That is so honest. I'll look it up, meaning I'll check my phone.
No shame in that. We all do it. The important thing is that you tried to communicate and you were polite from start to finish.
That's true. Even if the conversation doesn't work out perfectly, people remember your effort and your kindness.
Exactly. Okay, fast forward. It's afternoon. You are back home or maybe at the office, and a colleague or neighbor says to you, "Hey, are you busy later?"
Oh, someone is inviting me somewhere.
Maybe, or asking for a favor. Let's say they continue, "We're getting together for dinner tonight. Would you like to join us?"
Oh, nice. How do I say yes in a warm way?
You can say, "I'd love to. What time?"
I'd love to. That is so exciting. I like it.
It means I really want to. It shows excitement without being too over the top.
And what time shows you are interested and ready to make plans.
And if you can't make it, maybe you are tired or you already have plans, you say, "That sounds really nice, but I can't make it tonight. Maybe next time?"
I can't make it. That means I cannot come, I cannot attend.
Yes, and maybe next time keeps the door open. It shows you are not rejecting the person, just the timing.
That is such a kind way to say no.
Yes. In English, how you say no is just as important as saying no. You want the other person to feel good even when you can't join them.
That sounds really nice, but I can't make it tonight. Maybe next time. I will practice that.
Please do. Okay, we are getting close to the end of our day. The sun is going down. You are tired. A good kind of tired, like you lived a full day.
I like that. A good kind of tired.
And you run into a neighbor in the hallway. They say, "Long day?" What do you say?
Yeah, a little, but it was a good one.
Perfect. That is a very natural answer. Short, warm, real. And then they might say, "Have a good evening."
And I say,
You too. Take care.
you too. Take care. I love that. It is so warm.
Take care is a beautiful phrase. It means, I care about you. I want good things for you, even if it's just your neighbor.
These small phrases make such a big difference, don't they?
They really do. English is not just vocabulary and grammar. It's connection, it's kindness, it's little moments like that hallway conversation.
Okay, before we wrap up, can we do a quick review because there were so many good phrases today?
Of course. Let's bring them back.
We started with I'm on my way for when you are running late.
Then, don't worry about it and no worries for when you want to reassure someone.
At the cafe, could I get a coffee, please? And what do you recommend?
And our emergency phrase, "I'm sorry, could you say that again?" Or more slowly if you need it.
For catching up with a friend, it was really nice catching up. Let's do this again soon.
In public places, "Excuse me, could you help me?" One of the most useful phrases in the English language.
For invitations, I'd love to. What time? Or I can't make it. Maybe next time.
And at the end of the day, you too, take care.
That is a full day of English right there.
It really is. And David, how are you feeling now? Still sleepy?
Actually, no. Talking about English always wakes me up. It reminds me why I love it.
Same. And I hope all of you listening feel that too. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word. You just need a few good phrases and the courage to use them.
Start small. One phrase today. Just one.
Maybe it's, "I'm on my way" in a message to a friend. Maybe it's, "Could I get a coffee, please, tomorrow morning?"
Or maybe it's don't worry about it. Making someone else feel better.
Whatever it is, use it. That is how the language becomes yours.
And remember, even if you make a mistake, it is okay. Just keep going. Keep talking. People will understand you.
And they will appreciate that you are trying, always.
We believe in you. We really do.
Now, before we go, we have a question for you, and we would love to read your answer in the comments.
Here is the question. Which phrase from today will you use first?
Is it, I'm on my way? Is it, no worries? Is it, take care?
Write it in the comments below, in English, of course. Even one word is great.
We read every single comment, and it makes us so happy to see you practicing.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a like. It helps more people find our channel.
And subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss an episode of Fluento.
We come back every week with new conversations, new phrases, new real-life situations.
Because English is not just a subject, it's a door, and every phrase you learn opens it a little wider.
We'll see you in the next one.
Take care, everyone!
Bye for now.